The stock market made simple. They make it too hard. For 50 years, I've been making it very easy to understand. Take a look. What's going on with the market? Let's first of all take a look at the spiders. Since December, the institutions have stopped purchasing stocks. It's been all retail. That's why we can't break out with huge volume, because they're not participating. Take a look at the NASDAQ 100. Same thing since December. Look at, they've been having a tough time, because when you don't have the institutions, you don't have the firepower behind you. Here's the scary one, IWM. Look at this. That's your small mid-cap stocks. That's the heart and soul of the stock market. It's flashing a warning, we're going to have a crash. But nobody wants to believe that. So they want you to believe everything is wonderful. Check this out.
The consumer is healthy and strong and spending.
He's healthy, strong, and spending? No, he's not. He's spending, but he's not healthy or strong. Let me explain why. Here's the proof. Look at the credit cards. The debt from 2021 to 2024, right here. Look at this, 1.2 trillion. Are you nuts? Debt is a terrible thing. So no, he's not healthy. And debt is what crushes economies and stock markets. Now look at this. And of course, a poor labor market. Let's take a walk back in time to what caused the housing crash, the financial crash, 2008, right here. Well, let's take the credit cards I just showed you. The credit cards soared. The loan balances, the delinquencies, look at that. At the same time, mortgages, delinquencies soared. Autos soared. So all three soared, and why we had the crash, because of delinquencies. So what's going on today? On the same flight pattern. Here we are. Look at this. Credit card debt soaring. Auto debt soaring. But these are delinquencies, remember. And also mortgages. We are now on the same flight path as we were back here in 2008. Same flight path. Now take a look at this. This is proof we're coming up on a crash. If you take a look at Cisco, remember Cisco? That was our Nvidia, okay? Cisco back then is our Nvidia today. So Cisco back then rallied. Think about this. Cisco back then rallied from 1995 to 2000, 4,100%, then collapsed for the very same reasons I just showed you. But look what's going on today. Cisco yesterday is Nvidia today in AI. Change our lives, right? Look at Nvidia from 2019 to today. Same thing. 4,100%, even higher. So why are we going to be so lucky to think, oh, it's different this time? Cisco collapsed and the whole market collapsed, but it's not going to happen this time. It sure is. History is a wonderful thing. So, again, we're not sitting around here at Phil's Gang and saying we're waiting for a crash and we're not going to do anything. Of course not, because we follow the money. And as long as the money keeps going in, and who's all that money? That's all coming from retail. We have an historic amount of money coming in from retail investors. We call them tourists. They don't know what they're doing, and they're piling money in. And the big boys, the institutions, are dumping. We haven't seen a tech stock dump like this since 2016. So for more information on the market, my charts, my stocks, click the link to my bio, and also please hit subscribe and like. See you on the charts.